Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration on the 3 different methods on how to remove adhesive left behind from wheel weights. This stuff can be a little more time consuming to remove, and for those who like to keep their wheels clean, it can be an annoyance to look at too. I'm also getting ready to wax my wheels as well, so this is great prep before that. Be sure to keep an eye out for a video when I release that as well. When removing that glue, it's important to start out with clean wheels so any dust or dirt doesn't damage the surface. So for method number 1, simply using your finger and roll away the glue. This can be a little tough. Sometimes I use a heat gun to soften up the adhesive as well. Apply pressure. I find it's easiest to push and roll away the adhesive. Typically all the glue residue will remove, and you don't need to worry about any damage to the surface of your wheels with chemicals. Method number 2, using WD-40 or another form of lightweight penetrating oil. Sometimes you can also use cooking oil too. Apply it to the cloth or paper towel, allow it to soak into the adhesive for a moment, and then rub on the surface. I find it tends to start out a little slow. Once the oil has soaked into it for a longer period of time, it's then easier to wipe away. Unfortunately, when using this method, you'll have to follow up with washing the wheel again if you don't want any residue left over from the oil. And finally, method number 3, using a wax or grease remover. Again, using a soft cloth or paper towel, apply the solvent to it, allow it to soak into the surface for a moment, and then rub away. Just like using penetrating oil, this will take a little longer, but once the glue starts to dissolve, the rest will remove somewhat easier. Apply more solvent as needed. A wax and grease remover tends to be a little more friendly to paint than compared to some other harsher solvents. It shouldn't soften or bleach the paint and will evaporate fast. Do you have a method to help remove this type of adhesive? Please be sure to share it in the comments below. New videos are released every week. I would be very grateful if you could throw a like my way, and if you're not a subscriber, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.